So I'm here to demonstrate what, when, why, and how to conduct titration. Titration is an analytical technique that is widely used in the food industry. It allows food manufacturers to determine the quantity of the reactant in a sample. For example, it can be used to discover the amount of salt or sugar in a product, or the concentration of vitamin C or E, which has an effect on product color. Erlenmeyer flasks. Erlenmeyer flasks are used to contain liquids and for mixing, heating, cooling, incubation, filtration, storage, and other liquid handling processes. Their slanted sides and narrow neck allow the contents to be mixed by swirling without the risk of spills, which is useful for titration and for boiling liquid. A ring stand or a support stand is a piece of scientific equipment intended to support other pieces of equipment and glassware. For instance, burettes, test tube, and flask. Burette is a laboratory apparatus used in quantitative chemical analysis to measure the volume of a liquid or a gas. It consists of a graduated glass tube with a stopcock.
To carry out a titration, you follow these steps. 1. Using the pipette, add a set volume of the unknown solution to a clean conical flask. 2. You may also need to add a few drops of indicator. 3. Fill the burette with a known solution. 4. Record the starting volume on the burette. 5. Slowly add the solution from the burette to the unknown solution in the conical flask. You may need to swirl the flask to mix, or use a stir plate. 7. Stop adding when the reaction is complete. The end point is reached. This is where an indicator may help because there would be an appropriate color change. 8. Record the final volume. 9. Subtract the final volume from the initial reading. This gives you the volume of the solution added. This volume is called the titer. 10. For an accurate experiment, you should repeat this experiment a few times until you get consistent values.